Bonjour, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. As you've been following me for years, you know how much I love salads. In this video, I'm comparing the most popular grains we like to use when making salads, giving nutritional details on each of them. So let's find out. We'll start with spinach. This green is very versatile and is used in many recipes. Besides salads, it's a great ingredient for smoothies, but also in soups and other recipes like veal Florentine, which is amazing, creamy Tuscan chicken, oysters Rockefeller, and so on. It's great as a side dish such as cream spinach, or even in mashed potatoes, like in a Kenyan aerial recipe. Spinach is undeniably the powerhouse among the other two greens. It's loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, plus essential minerals like calcium, iron, and magnesium. In addition, it provides powerful antioxidants and fiber. Another plus is that it's low in calories. Now, let's talk about romaine. I love this lettuce, but it's not as versatile as spinach. Besides being used in Caesar salad or lettuce wraps, romaine is perfect to add to tacos, sandwiches, and burgers. It can also be grilled on a barbecue or sautéed in stir fries. Being low in calories as well, it has great vitamins A, C, and K, plus fiber and antioxidants. As much as its nutritional value looks the same as spinach, its counterpart has much more iron and vitamins than romaine. Last but not least, iceberg. Often considered as low nutrient, this lettuce still has some vitamins and essential minerals, but in very small amounts compared with the other two. The greatest benefit of iceberg is the fact that it has a high water content. Therefore, it's extremely hydrating, as well as very low in calories. It's super crunchy, making it a great addition for burgers and sandwiches, plus ideal for salads. I also use it when making my sombrero pizza. It's awesome. Another plus is iceberg has the longest shelf life of them all. As you saw in this video, all three of them are good, but one is superior to the others. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day, and for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!